In this video, I will show you how we installed the Nitron NTR-R2 rear suspension. This shock features spring preload adjustment. It comes preset for damping and preload. It is totally dependable, fade resistant and hand built with ultra-low friction components. The NTR-R2 shock is made to last on the track and road, and I think it was the best fit for my project. If you enjoyed the video, always appreciate it if you hit that like button, and of course let me know what you think down in the comments, but as always thank you so much for watching. And make sure you're subscribed to my channel.